Welcome to my channel. Eggs are everyone's all-time favorite. Today I'll be preparing a dish which is very tasty and very pleasing to the eye. It's called Eggs Cuckoo's Nest. Enjoy cooking in your nest. So let's get started. For this dish, we need 1 pinch of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 chopped onions, 2 chopped tomatoes, 5 to 6 eggs, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 or 2 green chilli as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a small bunch of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste. In a pan, add the oil. Once hot, add the chilies and let it splutter. Add the onions and cook it. Add the salt. Mix well and also add the tomatoes. Cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the turmeric powder. Red chili powder. Garam masala. Mix well and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle coriander leaves all over the mixture. Lower the gas at this stage. Break and add the eggs slowly into the pan. Sprinkle the pepper powder. Sprinkle salt. Cover and cook it for around 7 to 10 minutes. Check if the eggs are done. And you can see your dish is ready. Serve hot with some bread, and it goes also very well with roti. Enjoy cooking and subscribe to my channel. Till next, ciao!